here? Okay. This is your friend? Do you believe in him? Seen anything? Heard him? What'd they say? Footsteps? Oh, okay. You ever seen a ghost with her? Like, you guys ever been together in the same room at night and like, heard a ghost or anything? And the ghost is like, that's so stupid. That was so dumb. Congratulations. I love this guy who's with his girl he can't look. Is titties over there? Nah. Daughter. What's happening?
My son's girlfriend.
You.